Let's see how we can make a pendrive bootable. You need a pendrive in which there is no any necessary file and documents. Contain or backup these file before making it bootable. Plug in your pendrive. Go to the site rufus.ie.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Here you can see the latest version of Rufus. Click and downloads this file.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Now open the downloaded Rufus executable file. Here select your pendrive that you want to make bootable. Select ISO file that you have. I have ISO file of Ubuntu operating system. You can download it from ubuntu.com. Search for ISO file of Windows operating system if you are going to make bootable for Windows operating system. Start the process. Process will take a while. Then your pendrive becomes bootable. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button.